Hey there, it's Kylie with WTI. So, my furry friends, they're really important to me. And I just love spoiling them with new things, like this modern wood cat tree from Felivecal. This cat tree is 54 inches high, which to me is just the perfect height for my cats, and especially for my living room. When I received it, it was super easy to put together. It took me about 20 minutes total. It was so fast, and the instructions were just great. I love how my cats just adore this tree. The wood base makes it sturdy, and the modern design is really beautiful. There are 3 nests or baskets where my cats like to hang out. This little guy just loves the top basket because it's nice and high. He just really enjoys his naps up here. There are a couple of balls as well attached to the cat tree that my cats like to play with. I just love how there are so many scratching posts on this cat tree. My cats love to scratch, and having such a large area of scratching posts really helps them to stay away from scratching my couch. That's a huge bonus on my end. My cats are both a pretty good size, between 11 and 13 pounds, and they feel pretty comfortable on the tree. They especially fit well in the beds. I love seeing my cats happy in their cat tree, and this modern wood cat tree from Felivecal is just what I was looking for. And that's our point of view.